Normally I would say it's a sandy beach over here, which I'm on the beach right now. According to Live Richie Scary, 2012 Halloween, total devastation from Hurricane Sandy. But amazingly enough, it's not just that. The boardwalk is a sandy beach now, as you can see. The sand has reached the boardwalk no more. Right here in Coney Island. It's an amazing scene here. Almost ghost-like. If you can imagine. I'm just going to pan the camera to a couple of other scenes there. We have a jogger here. But other than that, just a few people around. Nathan's was damaged. Famous parachute jump. Who knows what structural damage that might have incurred. But the beach is just on the boardwalk, as you can see. The sand is. That's right, everybody. The sand is on the boardwalk now. Yeah, we're here, Halloween 2012, in an eerie sight. And then I'll zoom into the Rockaways, which is some 7 miles east here. You can see the bridge, the Gil Hodges Memorial Bridge. And just total devastation here. This is what's left, the remnants of Hurricane Sandy. An unbelievable, surreal type of scene here. Over and out.